Hello. Hi guys. Leo tunaenda kusoma Simple English and Kiswahili lesson. Karibu kwenye chaneli yangu Tina Language Academy. Tusome kwa pamoja Kiswahili na Kiingereza. Welcome to my channel. This is Tina Language Academy. Welcome. Today we are going to learn about Simple English and Kiswahili lesson. Daily English words with Kiswahili. English and Kiswahili. Friend, rafiki. Family, familia. Food, chakula. War, maji. House, nyumba. School, shule. Teacher, mwalimu. Students, mwanafunzi. Money, pesa. Love, upendo. Those are simple words that we use every day in our conversation. Let's see different sentences, simple sentences in English and Kiswahili. The first one, I love my family. In Kiswahili, ninaipenda familia yangu. Second, I drink water every day. Ninakunywa maji kila siku. The third one, my friend is happy. Rafiki yangu ana furaha. I am a teacher. Mimi ni mwalimu. I go to school. Ninaenda shule. Those are simple sentences we use in our daily conversation. Now we have a question of the day. You can reply it on a comment section. What is your favorite English word? Neno gani la Kiingereza unalolipenda zaidi? Please subscribe to my channel, Tina Language Academy, for more Kiswahili and English lessons. Welcome. Thank you so much.